feel like I'm breaking.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a leftover fried rice dish. I've got rice, bacon from English breakfast I made, some mushrooms, some sweet corn, some leftover cooking oil that I cooked some fried chicken with yesterday. I'm gonna use that oil as well because it's got flavor of chicken in it. I thought I would show you guys this dish just to, you know, try and do something different instead of going out to the shop buying this stuff. Let's just use what we have in the house. Let's use what we have. Use what you have and make it tasty. Make it tasty. This one's definitely gonna be a very quick video. No sitting down all night. We're just gonna cook it, taste it, and done. Let's go. Let's get it. So you can see the ingredients: oil, sweet corn, mushrooms, rice, spoon here. Got 2 spoons. Let's go. Remember my oil that I cooked my fried chicken in? We're gonna go 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, don't want no more than that. Then we're gonna go bacon, like I said, from my other well, cooking breakfast. So just it's gone cold, chopped it up in pieces, right? That goes in. Just bringing it back to life, you know. And the sauces here, we have Shaoxing rice wine, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and pepper, black pepper, mushroom legs. Like I said, just bringing it back up to the heat. Bringing it back up to the heat. So guys, what you been up to? How's your day been? And just trying, you know, put some filler in between. And what else? Oh my god. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't say that, sorry. Sweet corn, bringing it back up, like I said. Just bringing it back up to the heat. I think a lot of people as well, I want to say this, yeah? A lot of people, when they cook Oriental food, what they do is that they overload a wok. I've seen that before. Then they just put any vegetable, they just every vegetable under the sun. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna go into it, but I've just loaded this. And what that does is that it makes the wok cold. Alright, so this is good. We can still hear the sizzle. Get the seasonings down. Throw in some black pepper. That's obviously a little bit of heat there. You can put chili in this, guys. You can do whatever you want. Because if you don't burn off alcohol, it's just gonna taste of alcohol, won't it? Like if you're cooking with wine. You're cooking with wine, you need to cook off the wine first, get rid of the alcohol, then you get left with the rest of the goodness. Say that part. You get left with the rest of the goodness. Now we're gonna go soy sauce. Right there, that's about a tablespoon. Then I'm gonna go dark soy sauce, that's for color. That's enough. Alright. I'm gonna let that warm up together. You guys, the color's changed. That's from the dark soy sauce, the color has changed. And obviously guys, when our friend here, the rice goes in, obviously everything will go back to the way it should be. Alright guys, here we go with the rice. Let's go. All that rice in. There you have it, guys. Didn't even go to the supermarket. Done. Taste test. Almost forgot about the taste test. Good. Yeah. Good. Very good. I love the sweet corn. Now, this makes me think about the good old days. There you go, guys. Have a good day, guys. I'm not talking food tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good day. Later.